This is why you don't put lemons down your garbage disposal, because eventually it's going to build up someplace in the drain pipe and plug shit up. And then I get the pleasure of, or you get the pleasure of, either doing it yourself and unplugging it, or hiring a plumber at $300 an hour. I've tried plunging it, but plunging this in the configuration that the piping is in is completely useless, because it's got a drain pipe for the dishwasher right here, and the water just comes down. The garbage disposal goes out here, comes out this pipe, and goes gush all over the place. So that's why I have all these towels here. Gonna drain this sink. Yummy. They just have a soft coupler with a clamp on here. Take this off. Hopefully not dump water every place. Okay. Let's take this drain pipe out of here. This is for the dishwasher. There's that. Get this out of the way. So I know this pipe isn't plugged up. I've ran one of those drain snake things. You stick it down the drain and it has little barbs on it and sucks all your, grabs your pubes and pulls them out. So I know this has nothing in there. I know the P-trap isn't plugged up because, you know, you got both ways there. This side comes from the sink and this goes into the wall down to the drain. So I know that's not plugged up. That means it's farther down there. Nice, right? So I've got a 20-foot pistol grip drain snake, and I'll run it down this pipe. Feed it in about a foot, turn it around, snake it, feed it out a foot, snake it, spin it, in and out, shit like that. It's got a little latch on here. This it locks so you can't, this spring doesn't go in. When you release it, you can bring it out or reel it in, so you can feed more in there. So there's 20 feet of drain snake. Something horrible. Gross. Put the pipe back together and let's see if we got the plug going out. Now let's see if we got the plugged up drain. I don't think we did because I didn't see any of the junk come out with the drain snake. Usually be wrapped up in the drain snake and coming out with it. Nope. See it backing up. So, did not get it. Alrighty, so we get to take the pipe back apart, and I'm going to try a couple more things. So this is the dishwasher drain pipe. This comes from the sink. This goes into the wall. So every time I try to plunge, water comes gushing out of here rather than going down the drain into the wall. So that means that fucking wall fitting is plugged up. I've got these cutters, PVC pipe cutters, and I'm going to cut this little notch out and take care of this shit. Ta-da! Then I've got this 1.5-inch rubber plug. Put this plug on top of here. Make sure it's all the way down. And I'm going to tighten this clamp down. So there's no way for this son of a bitch to spew water out. There we go. And click. There we go. So I have some Piqua, I guess that's how you say it, heavy-duty drain opener. It says, pour 16 ounces of bottle directly over drain. Let stand for 30 minutes to 3 hours. Flush with warm water. Repeat if necessary. Got a 16-ounce container. I'm going to fill up and dump down the drain. And got a little splash of this on my hand, and it burns. Alrighty. It's going down. And I'll see you in a half hour. Got a power plunger. I bought this for, I believe it was $9.99 at Harbor Freight. And we'll see how this works. I'll see if this stuff has cleared the drain. Hopefully it has. Got the sink filled up a little bit. See if this is, hear it running. I'll give it a blast with the power plunger. So with this power plunger, you can either blast it. See, it blows air. Kind of good. Get a lot more air and water moving down to dislodge whatever's in your pipe. That blows air out, but then you can also suck with this. You can blow the air out. If I was holding this down, it'd blow, you know, down the drain. But this creates a suction, so you can, you know, I'm pulling on this and it's stuck to the sink. And I think we've got our plug taken care of. I think we got the blockage taken care of. So I took the cap off the dishwasher drain tube, and we'll see if I got this plug out, or the blockage out. Because whenever I fill the sink up and turn the garbage disposal on, it would shoot water out of the dishwasher drain. Okay, I don't see anything. So hopefully there's no water spilling out. All right, I think we got it. I know it was my wife chopping up lemons or grinding up lemons in this to make it smell good. That's never a good idea because lemons have a lot of fiber in it. The rind is extremely hard to chew up in a garbage disposal. I know because there's a tiny bit of lemon stuck in this thing. Let me see here if I can get it out. And so that's pieces of lemon rind and lemon, the fruit or whatever. So you don't use lemons in your garbage disposal to freshen it up, because you can plug it up. Then you get to spend an hour or two unplugging it. What you can use is some lemon scented pine sol, or regular scented pine sol, or some Odoban. This is a disinfectant and a deodorizer. This is lemon scented pine sol. Lemon scented pine sol is not a disinfectant. This lemon scented pine sol will also degrease your garbage disposal and your pipes. Because when I took this pipe off, and this pipe had grease built up right here, probably 1/8 of an inch of grease, and a lot of grease right here at the output of the garbage disposal. Regularly using a degreaser down in, give it a few spritzes like that and let it sit, you won't have any stank coming out of your drain, guaranteed. And it won't plug it up with the lemon pulp. I've got a dehumidifier that I'm gonna run for a few days just to get any of this water that went, my wife said it was spewing everywhere, and probably got the MDF underneath the cabinets wet. Luckily you can take these things off and have a floor fan or something. I don't know how wet it got underneath there, but this dehumidifier can remove about 2 gallons a day from this thing. It used to be about 52% humidity in this house, probably about 10 minutes ago. But we'll let this run and let all these cabinets and everything dry out, and hopefully not have this problem again.